Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be trying out another rinseless wash that I got from the October 2023 glove box. This is DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. And it's nice that they sent them because, well, I like rinseless washes. But they sent two other wash products. This month's box was had a wash your car theme. It had three different shampoo and wash type products, so it was pretty neat. Maybe trying some of those out later on the channel here. So DIY Detail, they are a newcomer, but they are getting some good attention here. Ivan LaCroix, that was with OptiSeal, Optimum Polymer Technologies for a long time. This is his company, as well as Nick McGurk, I think his name is. So they're getting a lot of social media presence and YouTube videos and all that about these products. Apparently DIY Detail, their rinseless wash is both a polymer and surfactant based product, because supposedly you can use this with a foam gun. It'll foam up somewhere, as most rinselesses, even if you squirt water into the bucket, that won't foam up. So I may try that here in a little bit. But we're going to be washing the Ram truck, which is kind of big. We're going to do a rinseless. I haven't done a rinseless on this in a while. Just want to try this product out. My Mustang was clean, so we got our bucket filled with 4 gallons of water. Now, just like most rinselesses, the dilution is 1 ounce for every 2 gallons. Well, since trucks are kind of big, I mixed up 4 gallons. I already put a gallon into the bucket. This is what it looks like. It's real thin. It has a citrus kind of smell. Kind of reminds me of Lemon Pledge a little bit, that kind of smell. So it doesn't smell bad. You can see though in the bucket, it is clear. So it doesn't have it's not kind of murky like the P&S product. It's not pink like the Wolfgang Gruber rinseless. It's not blue like ONR, or green, whichever ONR product you get. It's just clear. So we're going to give this a go with the truck here and see how it does, see how it flashes off, compare to these other ones that we've been trying. And I'm sure I'll like it because I like rinseless wash, but we'll see if this one's a lot different than the other ones, because like I said in my other videos, I mean, they all work. There might be some differences, like that last one I checked, it was last two that I've tried that were new, that they were pretty slick. I will give them that. They were pretty slick. The Phoenix EOD and the Adams Hoseless, the new Adams one that's out. So we'll get to work here, throw our washing sponges in, let them get to work, and then we'll give it a try. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go. We've been letting these sponges soak for probably about 20 minutes or so while I did the wheels and tires. So they should be pretty well saturated with the DIY Detail mix. Go on here. So this truck, it's a 22 Ram 1500. It's got Adams graphene spray coating on it. It's a second go around with that. It lasted pretty solid for about 13 months. It was starting to sheet on the sides. It wasn't gone. So I redid it in June. So far this stuff is slick, but not quite as slick to the touch through the sponge like the Adams Hoseless was and the Phoenix EOD. Now it looks like it's doing a good job cleaning, but then again, these things, it seems like all these things do. Although it seems like the Uber from Wolfgang does a pretty darn good job of cleaning, because I've used that one for quite a while. And then the compared to the ONR, which ONR is nice. I've used that for a long time, and ONR is like the standard for that. So yeah, from what I've seen so far, it's nice, slick, but not quite as slick as the Adams and the Phoenix. But it does look like it's doing a good job, pulling the dirt off and cleaning, which is what it's supposed to do. It just doesn't feel quite as slick. So we'll check it a different direction here. So I want to show the effect of drying this stuff. I got Griot's PFM towel, which if you don't have one of those, it's pretty good. So we pull it through here. This stuff flashes off nice. Maybe even a little bit better than the Adams and the Phoenix EOD. It's close, but This might be the best flashing one that I've used. Like I say, it just doesn't seem as slick as the other ones. So we'll check something else out with it too. All right, now we're going to test it a little different. According to Ivan LaCroix, you can use the DIY Detail Rinseless on bare paint, not having to pre-spray without scratching. So we'll give it a go here. We got black paint on the bottom of this truck, and we'll just do this corner here and see how it does with the cleaning on the bare paint. So we get our drying towel out, dry this corner off. No worries, we got some clean black paint. No streaks. Can't tell if there's any scratches or not, but it works as advertised. All right, so now what I've done is I've mixed up some of the DIY Rinseless as a window cleaner, glass cleaner. So we're gonna give it a wipe, see how we like it on these windows. I did try it off camera on my Mustang windows, and it did a pretty good job. More so than the Rinseless ones I've used on glass. As you can see, it's taking these water spots off the dirt and stuff, so it looks like it's pretty solid for cleaning glass. More so than, like I said, than the other ones I've tried. So I mixed it, would be the equivalent of 1 ounce per 4 gallons. So half of what you'd use for typically washing a car, which I believe I had read that's for that one, that's how you do it. So solid glass cleaner. All right, so let's wrap it up, give a summary. This is DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. We now have a clean truck. Does it do a good job of cleaning? Absolutely. Look at we started out with a clear bucket, now look how dirty it is. This truck had been rained on once since it got washed last weekend. But where I work right next to a major freeway, so there's always dust coming off the freeway, I guess. Especially when I had a black car, I used to see it. But does it do a good job cleaning? Absolutely, no question. Really good on glass. I will say that about that. Not quite as slick as a couple of the other ones I tried, but slickness isn't everything, I don't guess. So big question is, would I buy it again? Maybe, if it was on sale, because this obviously is some sort of, this is an 8-ounce bottle, which I don't see on their website. They do 16 ounce and they do gallons. For a 16-ounce bottle, this is $18, which is the same as that Adams Hoseless Wash, but it's also the same as 32 ounces of the P&S Absolute, and also the same as 32 ounces of Optimum No Rinse. So value-wise, it's double, or cost-wise, it's double. So I'm going to try it out as a little sidebar here to see if this stuff foams up. Because usually these things do not foam up. It got cloudier. I don't know. They give instructions for using it with a foam gun or foam cannon. So it must foam some, or maybe it's just for pre-treating. I don't know. But not much activity for foaming. But you can see all the dirt being pulled off the truck. Now some people are going to scream, "You didn't do a two bucket wash." Well, Ivan, when he worked for Optimum, and also now he's got DIY Detail, he says over and over again that you don't have to do a 2-bucket for rinseless, because with the nature of the soap, that it's slicker than your typical car wash soap, and whatever the dirt is that gets in it, the polymers bind to it, and it's not a problem. So I've been rinseless washing since 2010. Start with ONR. I don't think I've ever noticed a scratch after I've rinseless washed. I only have to polish my vehicles once or twice a year like everybody else does, and I've done lots of rinseless washing. So I think Ivan's probably right. He's been working with rinseless for years. So, but is it a likable product? Absolutely. Probably, like I said before, the best one I've ever used on glass. Definitely cleans, no doubt. Probably better than ONR, but probably on par with the rest of them, maybe a little bit better Would I buy it again if it was on sale? Or unless they come down the price, which most companies usually do not. But it's a likable product. I definitely don't mind using it. I'll use it until the bottle runs out. Then if I see it on sale or a package deal or something, I probably try again unless something else gets my attention. But thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me clean my truck up. And I will see you on the next video. If you like this kind of stuff, see me try out new products, see what they do. Like the channel, subscribe, like the video, subscribe. And if you can hit the bell and get notified if you want. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.